Ebusia na ya ba Santoe ha. Na mo pese mo hu update e wo ha internet. Billy Snaps Ghana online ya ba Santoe. Ekwan ya hu Santoe. Ekwan we amo se ekwa kosi friend say ashaman ene ade. Na ebi mo se ekwan no omache amo so ye ba ye wo hwa grabos na ade ego so. Mo kwan cars nam so. Mpedefo so ye adwuma ka. Eto ye hwenim se omatumi aye ewie na ye de quota no anasa ye de advert no abego so. Ebe hu me mpedefo a mentumi ensam. Ebusa peni ya wako. Adwuma. Mam no mo ko kaka. Na wo na wotwi machine.
I don't understand.
You are driving this.
No. The driver is around. He went to buy water.
So you what do you do?
We are the workers.
You're the workers.
Yes. We are loading it here to take
So
it.
what is this?
This caps.
Walls or
This
walls?
caps block.
Caps blocks.
Yes.
So you are loading the caps
caps
blocks and then
take to the layers.
Okay.
Yeah.
How is the progress of the road like? How is it like? How is the progress of the road?
The place is going. The work is going on. It's going on. By God's grace, we are.
But like people are not on site plenty to work.
People are on the site.
You've gone for break.
We are now in break.
You're not on break.
Yeah.
All right. So when we look at the road, at what time are we expecting that they'll complete the road? Look at the state of the road.
Actually, that one is not me that can answer that one. It's my boss. Yes.
Okay. But the work is ongoing.
The work is going.
Yes, Santoe, right?
Yeah, this is Santoe, Ashama.
So this one leads to Ashama.
Yes, people are front working. People are in the back.
So there are people working there.
People are working at front. People are also working.
What are they doing? Is it the same thing like?
The carpenters are working. The pavement people are laying. Some other people are also doing their work.
Okay, so you have to either you go there or you have to go back. So okay, thank you. So as he said, this is the caves blocks or the caves walls that they are just fixing. So for now you are fixing the caves. You are fixing the caves on the median, right?
On the middle and by the side too.
By the sides you are fixing.
Yes.
Okay. So meaning that you want to finish everything before the asphalt comes last.
Because the asphalt will come soon.
To come soon.
Yes, that is why we are doing fast.
Fast.
Yes.
Right. Or say, enche omeba. No matter here, munya will take akra. Be patient so that we can just work. So contractors are on site working. There's the Santoe road, right? All right. So let's go and see how far. We international gutters no my BBI. Gutters are sorted. No my gutters BBI. Now Osha asphalt now. Feeling I say man feeling yes, let's use this. Feeling number ba bedu level we. Ti ebe feel it and sana first course, second course no abedu a. So sha eduma na say ba no. Amo kakra sombo ye ntin yenko twa yemam drone view, pictorial view of the Santoe road. Am pese mo ho no. Na yenia yemfa ede yemfa ehu say ekwan no de amo ye the big push agenda no yapa acho amawie why acho kwa amawie into the big push agenda no ombeye na omutuma den ayewie yenkoto aso e wo animo. All right, we share for and then so yakopa yadom ya sanso aba Santoe sorry we share dust ntino e pipe ya ba Santoe ha ye twa kwan eda chew na mo hu se adwuma ekoso e wo Santoe importem ho na ye ne bi mbedi nkomo ne ahwe ade e wa nti mo den se obe subscribe na wa share na wa like o hwe senia adwuma amo edri kwan so a ama goes no kakra abakwan kwan no enye de na so ye hwe enim se yibetimi adan enya update bi eda mo nti Santoe kwan no na ohwa machine so a edwu so na a level kwan so kakra hwa emo ene ade am de go kwan so no ye hwe nim se ometumi adan a level kwan so kakra na ye de mai nti no bo moden se obunya botre se wo yusu kwan na bo moden se obunya botre na omo yusu wo yusu kwan no na yinyana yetumi hu se na ebetumi yusu kwan no afa. ye ba Santoe ha no ye hu say edwuma e koso kakra wo hwa machines all sites omo eye edwuma ye twa ne nya kyerɛw na wo say Santoe e kwan no anaze ye ka de East Legon Hills Santoe kwan no ekosi ashaman no amo ye na say kwan we ekwa kosi ashaman straight so hwa nsuo amo water nsuo kwan no so amo water so na man futuro no iron abrafo kakra enti no ye hwe ade wa ha gutters ni o maye o hwa gutter o maye gutter fefe abra ye ba samsam go na gutter no ndua na da so sia no o maye gutter no sia no kwa nso no fm na akoka kese nim ti no gutter no eno so o maye ewie o hwa emo na emo enya de egugu so mo level enti no enche yen kan se Santoe kwa no enche ombetumi aden ombetumi aye ama no ayefe enti no cars na mo yusu kwa no mo nto mo kakra maye wo hwa won se omde mo abegugu so car so level so omde mo na de egu so cars level kwa no so fefe amo level kwa no so hwa eduma ekoso eduma ekoso fefe eduma ekoso nti enim say the big push agenda na His Excellency edeba no ye de hwenim say kwan a Ghana no yenye man nye fe na enye yie yes kwan na Ghana no yenye man nye fe na enye yie ye wo say engineers fo bi wase a yen koden wo hwe ye na mo komo kakra na yen hwe ade nti no amo level ye level kwa no ye level kwa na fa nti wo hwa won say na pio no odwi kwa no so kwa no say that's perfect we say that's perfect na kwa no enye fe ansana obetu ade ometumi ade bi foforo ade account nti ya hwenim say omeye nti wo hwa edwuma eden ekoso edwuma ekoso koeche ne twa ye ntwa nti koeche ne ntwa ne se no edwuma ekoso Is that?
Well, yeah, that is it. I want to damp material up to
Okay.
For now. I think so for now. We'll I take videos without any problem.
Mate. Yes. Chale yanko e na menya brief we bi wa. Me fan so asa na me fi terms no. Yanko. All right, ebusia for you try the other side from School Junction. Sorry, from roundabout on the try kakra. Ebe drew now sha apply the 040 no SI base no apply caps in your my it is 100 year so far near we 040 no they say enche bia no asphalting ebe koso ho enti no baby a wo hwe no ye de mo egu so no ho de battery customs na 040 no mawie enti no no na am sha ase a omo some base level no eno ne it sha machines also Osha machine me tu a obanya me. Osha machine ho a oye adwuma. Into no level no and one and say am ye nti from 040 end no ebesi ase o de go so a adwuma ekoso fa. It is so far no say we be say update on the Santoe road no de no kre ya be hu ya bete na ya mpa say omo eye den omo eye some base no level no eno na omo ye no nti obi nka say omo ni site omo site me ba ye enye machine ye adwuma no am site nti mo am na social media say na Santoe de no ye jai na da bia am site eye leveling obia wo stage a say de am ye nti no no ye wie enche am ya wie curve walls ni wie pe and say am ya toto eno wie a na de say quota atum no ebeba na abego so na ha say so leveling no eno so am a hyase na am de 040 no atabe to so a enche am wie wa hwa walls we no gutters ya ye wie gatas no ma yini nia o hwa o ma gatas ni nia so ni nemu wa hwa so ni nemu efe ensi ya hwenim se enche eni mo no o meto aso ya hwenim enche eni mo no meto aso cars anam so machines also farm wo fan yama ade a kunkofo wa ha dust ade kunkofo wa ha dust they say ekungofo aha nti di obi ya na hwe ochi ade ekungofo ha das fa nti yesre sagana ban bomode na mo ye ntentem mayen mo ye ntentem maya boayen na yenso ye dwuma ye no ya ma wiase iron atie nka ntem ara nti bomode say oba subscribe Santoe kwa no eno ena we go so a wo hwe no aha ne nia wo hwe agata no o mebiem ozo mebiem o mebiem kase pa machine so level e kwa fefe aha nti wa hwa eduma koso wa hwa Santoe kwa no eduma koso ntomusua yenko na yema mo drone view of this place na mo hwe sania eduma no etifate na wanka se 3D bi na Billy ono nko for mo twa che aha Santoe East Legon, sorry, East Legon Hills, kwa no. Ya kokoka you know, ashama no, eno na wo hwe ene ewie na se na no pe. Bia wo bia na wo moden. So be subscribe na wa share. You say machine for so ewo yase o. Yankwa ase o. Na no so yinkotwa. E be chama. Me ho na. Kam no du komo. Kam no we du komo. Ma me kwa chama na me interview kakra. Na ono so ente na adwen ono de wa ha enti na obetumi akasa kakra chairman good afternoon bia wako na wo se wo gina ha wo hwe na ekwan amu ye se na hu fa wa hu me de na say aiding
se edwuma ni ye wa ha nti omo ye na affect time take here so omo ye hana man affect
as a motor blocks ha it's na mo ye ka ten say car bia to room I will say o share inside ha o share blocks no amutu bi ache pa amutu bi ache na say affect mo adwuma pa for ni intimi customer backra na was say the wheelbarrow and this is a block na so everybody another cost and the workload no say
the same thing you talk until one hour break kwa
see the e moda kakra
nne no ma be
enne asa che kakra ejuma no e fast na say slow
ejuma already is slow but it's near ne kakaka but I feel they say I stand still because omode we buy entimin to ejuma so that's the bounce and touch him entimin try until say be yeah so mama go ahead and start it because or her say be try can fanya to my hand.
Yes, so now customers, so we su customers.
Cement no, I'm tonga kaka. Cement so any cement side.
Yes, cement side be very okay, you know what? Kwanya here no are having negative effect on some of those that they are working around here. Ama ejuma e be shut down. E be so very very slow. We have a pay na some ka mutwa blocks wa ha. They say ma juma no aye very very slow enti no ye be se Ghana ban eni penefo minim contractor order no wa ha but be sere wa order Santoe no wa ha no but mo de na fast me say we e kana de no bia kana de a juma no ese ya yentumi e den yentumi live in Ghana esa na ma workload and I say the productivity of ye labor no asaso aye high ye de mase enti no yenko ase o na ye ko hwe obia so ne de na yen fine ono so etudwa second phase of Santoe ekwa no eno enene ye mam update e wa ha bo mo den so be subscribe na wa share yen ko hwe de e wo yin session. Oh, you want to see?